tomoni. The grammar of tomoni is had the meaning that together with, or at the time, or at the same time as, or as well as that or something. And in Japanese, when used the grammar of tomoni, it had the meaning that together with, at the same time as, or as well as. But when you use the structure you see here, you can use with the verb in the dictionary form and the noun. That means you should start by the verb and the noun. But when you use the verb, you should change the verb to be the dictionary form. And when you use the noun, you don't need to change anything. You just use and after that followed by tomoni. So the next we are going to see some example together to make more understand about how to use the grammar of tomoni. The first example is say 私の人生はギターと共にある。私の人生はギターと共にある。Which means that I spend my life together with my guitar. I spend my life together with my guitar. In this sentence, you see that they use the noun, right, with the grammar tomoni. In our noun in here is guitar, right? Guitar is the noun. And you will use tomoni when when somebody with another thing together, and it had a meaning that somebody with something or somebody with somebody or two things together. You can use in this case. So in this sentence, say 私の人生はギターと共にある which means I spend my life together with my guitar. That means you enjoy, you fun with the guitar together, right? You and the guitar together. So you can say と共にある. The next example is say 春が近づくとともに少しずつ暖かくなってきた。春が近づくとともに少しずつ暖かくなってきた。Which means that as spring grows nearer, it's gradually getting a bit warmer. As spring grows nearer, it's gradually getting a bit warmer. In this sentence, you see that they also use the verb. In here, our verb is 近づく, right? 近づく, and after that, they followed by とともに. 近づく is mean near. 春が近づくとともに少しずつ暖かくなってきた which means that the spring, right, coming, and in the same time is gradually getting a bit warmer and warmer, something like this in this sentence, meaning that. So that means you use tomoni when two things happen together. In here, the spring is happen, right? And at the same time, it's also gradually get warmer and warmer together, right? So in the same the situation like this, you can use tomoni, which means two things happen at the same time. The next example. 私は政府と共に仕事をする。 私は政府と共に仕事をする。which means that I will work together with the government. I will work together with the government. This sentence they use with they use the noun with the grammar of tomoni. Now here is seifu, right? Seifu is mean the government. Seifu tomoni, which means that together with the government. Shigoto o suru, which means two things happen together. One thing is I, right? And another thing is the government. So when you and the government work together, you can say totomoni, which means two things work together. And in Japan, you can say watashi wa seifu to tomoni shigoto o suru, which means that I will work together with the government. The next example, 私は家族と共に2年間外国で暮らした。私は家族と共に2年間外国で暮らした。Which means that I live abroad together with my family for 2 years. I live abroad together with my family for 2 years. In this sentence, we also see that they use the noun with the grammar tomoni. In here, our noun is kazoku. Kazoku is mean the family, right? And they say kazoku tomoni, which means I and my family. In here, watashi, which means I, kazoku, which means my family, right? Tomoni, which means together with my family, I and my family together. 2年間外国で暮らした which means that I live abroad together with my family for 2 years. That means I and my family, which means two things happen in the same time. So you can use totomoni, which means I and my family live together in foreign country or in abroad. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of totomoni. When you use the tomoni, it means that two things happen in the same time. Or two things work together or go together in the same time. So don't forget when you use tomoni, you can use the verb